Is it the right spelling of powerful? No. It's always with single L, but most of the time children make spelling mistakes in such spellings which has full at the end. We need to explain them that this full has another meaning, and this FUL full is a suffix which is added at the end of the words to change the meaning of that word. FUL full means containing or holding as much as possible or something which has no empty space. FUL suffix means that something is full of that certain quality. Let's understand better. So if I want to say that something is full of joy, I will say joyful. So I simply added suffix FUL, and which means that something is full of joy. And as a suffix, we add only single L. Now, this is joyful, pain, painful, power, powerful, peace, peaceful. Everywhere FUL. But what about this word? Peacefully. Why double L here? So now you have to wait for part 2 of this video.